Hi there, Gary here from Gann, Australia. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our fantastic moisture meter kits. This is our Technician 3-in-1 kit. So what comes with this kit? So, first off, we have our hygrometer. So this hygrometer does lots of different settings. So we have your temperature, your relative humidity, your dew point, your surface temperature. It has a laser at the front here to do surface temperature. Okay. Also, it does equilibrium wood moisture content, which means if you leave a piece of timber in this environment with this temperature and relative humidity, it will get down to a certain moisture content. It does absolute humidity also, so it has lots of features. Interchangeable hygrometer, very strong meter, very easy to use. Fantastic. The next one is, so that's our TFIR3, and this is our BL B2. So this is our dielectric, non-invasive ball meter. So it has a lot of settings on there for concrete, screeds. Also, it has a relative scale on there. So we tuck these little booklets in here and behind here. Here's our little booklet for the actual meter. And it has it in weight percentage and calcium carbide equivalent. So from lime mortar, gypsum plaster, mixed plaster, screeds, and concrete itself. So fantastic meter, easy to use, has an alarm, turns off itself as well. So 9-volt battery, fantastic little meter, that one. Now also we have our timber meter. This is our BLH40 timber meter. So it has 7 presets of timber. We have this nice little book here when it has all the different types of timbers between 1 and 7 for where it's a soft, medium or a hard density timber. With that you get in here we have a hammer probe, really strong hammer probe. Now the lead here plugs into the hammer probe and then it plugs into the meter. So you've got non-insulated pins and insulated pins. So here's 10 insulated pins here, 60mm, and we have non-insulated here, small and large. Hammer probe sits nicely in here, foam locks it into place. Also, you have a handheld pin probe as well that you can put little pins off here, and you've also got these little caps, these capacitor caps here, and they screw onto the end of this meter, and you can use these for checking timber where you've got a hardwood timber veneer. You might have a 4mm veneer, it'll go down 3mm. So you press that in with 2 of them obviously here. Press it into your 4mm timber veneer, might be on 15mm ply, and you actually only go in 3mm into the actual timber to check what the top of the timber is reading. So that is our fantastic kit here. Comes in a really nice case. Everything's got its little place inside the kit. It's like so. So check out our Gann 3-in-1 Technician kit. Fantastic piece for your drying jobs. Thanks for watching.